Power Plant Maintenance Positions Selection System, or simply called MAS. The MAS test is one of the 7 EEI tests which are used by companies looking to hire in the plant maintenance field. Basically, the test is used to help select employees for power plant maintenance positions in fossil, nuclear, and hydroelectric plants. Test structure and format. The total time to administer the MAS battery is approximately 2 hours. The MAS battery consists of the following paper and pencil aptitude tests. Number 1 is the reading comprehension. So this test measures a person's ability to read and understand the type of material found in plant power. So this test measures a person's ability to read and understand the type of material found in power plant training manuals. The reading comprehension test consists of 5 reading passages, with each followed by several multiple choice questions about the passage. Now the test has 36 items and a 30-minute time limit. Second is mechanical concepts. So this test measures the ability to understand mechanical principles. Now there are 44 multiple choice items, and each of these contains a pictorial description of a mechanical situation. And this time, the test has a 20-minute time limit. Number 3 is spatial ability. The test measures the ability to visualize the properly assembled form of an object. So in this test, candidates are to assemble the parts so that the places having the same letter are put together. And this one contains 20 multiple choice items and has a 10-minute time limit. Fourth one is mathematical usage. This test measures skill at working basic mathematical problems and consists of 18 multiple choice items and has a 7-minute time limit. Now what about scoring and interpretation? So the 4 aptitude test scores are combined into one cognitive index score. This index score is then translated into expected probabilities of successful job performance to make employee selection decisions. This was all. Thanks for watching.